Namaskar. This is G.V. Rajshekhar Rao, presently Principal at DAV Ispat Public School, Rajara Mines, District Balod, Chhattisgarh. My dear stakeholders, all respected parents, my beloved students, this is very peak and most awaited precious time for all of you, that thousands and lakhs of children are appearing in the Cbse board exams nowadays, and parents appear to be in stress. Students also seem to be in lot of stress and anxiety due to these board exams. Examination phobia, I should say that it is not natural, it is artificial, created, generated in our surroundings, within our family, in our neighborhood, in our society. I believe each and every child is a gem, is a masterpiece created by the Almighty God. In this nature, nothing is existing without any importance. Being parents, being teachers, we all must appreciate, encourage and motivate our students not only before the exams but throughout their schooling, throughout their life, constantly, continuously in our neighborhood, right from morning to night. We must appreciate and appreciate. When we have two options, either to appreciate or to demoralize, it is always better to pick the positive side. As nature has created every child in a unique way, every existing living being in a unique way, it means each and every one of us, we have our own qualities. We are born with natural qualities. Unfortunately, in our materialistic world, we give more emphasis and importance to materialistic things, man-made things, man-made degrees, man-made qualifications, and man-made standards which are being followed in the society, in learning places, schools and colleges and everywhere. Just imagine for a moment, if there is no proper schooling, no place of learning, no place of parameters, no one is setting any parameter or benchmark, then how this world would be? Even then, this world would flourish, grow with its natural talent and natural qualities which are equipped in each and every living being, human being. My dear students, whatever preparations you had to make, that time is already over. Now you are in the examinations. Your exams are going on. You do just a little thing. You please accumulate and concentrate all your focus and attention only for 3 hours. 3 hours means the day when you appear for the exam, when you are inside the examination hall. You just think about that question paper only. You just think about those questions only of the subject in which you are appearing. Exercise all your mind, your prudence, your ability, and channelize the whole focus on the question paper and try to write answers, to attempt questions to the best of your ability at the moment. At the moment means during those 3 hours. And after the examination, after 3 hours, even if you forget, even if you are not able to reproduce again, it's immaterial. What I mean to say, that whatever preparations you had planned to do, that already you have done. Whatever exercises, whatever labor you wanted to put into, that time is over. Now, during these examination days, only focus on that specific subject in which you are going to appear. That's all. The concentration for 3 hours, full attention for 3 hours during that stipulated time in the examination hall, that will also work wonders. And I hope, not only hopeful, but I am sure that whatever is your level of academics at the moment, all of you will be able to score at least 7 to 10 or maximum 15 marks of increase in each and every subject. So this 15% or 10% hike or increase in your percentage is also a very big volume, and it will fetch good results to all of you. All the best. Be happy, be tension free, don't get panic, and take these exams with courage and boldness. Don't bother about what the neighbors speak about you, what your relatives talk about you, what your parents think of you. Leave all these things aside and give 100% space to yourself during the 3 hours of examination, and try to do justice with your abilities and efficiencies. I hope you will come out with flying colors. Thank you very much, dear students. God bless you all. Thank you.